How to change your Snapchat username? Here's a step-by-step guide. To start off, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on your Bitmoji at the top left corner to go to your profile. Then click on the gear icon at the top right to open the settings. From the settings menu, select username. Now you will see your current Snapchat username. Just click on change username. A quick note will appear. Tap continue to proceed. Delete your current username and enter your new username. Once you found an available username, hit next. Then enter your Snapchat password to confirm the change. Finally hit confirm. And just like that, your new Snapchat username is updated. And that's all. Now you know how to change your Snapchat username.